So hey y'all, you want my jambalaya and some beignets? Is that how you do it here? Where are we at?
I'm sorry for that. We are getting ready for Mardi Gras. So we are in the French Quarter at Disney. It's one of the resorts in Port Orleans. We're in the French Quarter, and we're going to have a new quick service that we've never had before, and we're going to have some
Beignets.
Jambalaya.
I'm not sure about the jambalaya. We'll see about the jambalaya.
They also have gumbo.
Ooh, gumbo.
It has okra in it.
Ooh, gumbo with okra.
But yeah, this is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful resort. And we thought since Mardi Gras is coming up, we would come and visit and show you a little bit of stuff. And yeah, we'll have beignets if Randy eats all his lunch.
Yeah, do I get beads too?
We'll be back.
Okay, guys. So if you watch us, we appreciate all you guys. If you watch us to the end, please give us a thumbs up and whack our like, as I like to say. It drives traffic into us, and we appreciate all you guys doing a little bit of something different just to show you guys, you know, what else is out here. And like Tammy said, it's Mardi Gras time, y'all. So yeah, like, is that Southern enough?
Okay, we'll
all
be
right,
back.
guys, we'll be right back.
Okay, Randy, what did you get? Those look like big helpings. I mean,
Very big plates, and this, not a bad price for this. So this is the jambalaya, and they give you, I think, cornbread with it. And this is the gumbo, and looks really good, smells really good. This thing here is a king cake, so don't mistake, I'm still getting my beignets. But this looks really good, so I'm gonna try it. And then of course, you know, we got our drinks, whatever, but I'm gonna try it and see what it tastes like. Try not to burn my mouth because I hate.
wow, that was a big piece of meat.
It was a huge piece of chicken. So
Don't forget to get that yucky okra in there.
only can do so much for the perfect bite. That is really good. And I had a piece of the delicious okra in there. And this is the jambalaya. This is one of my favorites, but I had to try something different.
Hot?
So I said I didn't want to burn my mouth.
How was that?
That didn't work. It is very good.
Which
I like
one's
the,
better?
I like the spices. If I had to choose, I would go with the jambalaya every time. I'm a jambalaya fan. This is the king cake. pick up some of this, and I had Tammy cut it in half before we started.
So what's king cake? We've never had it. It's obviously Mardi Gras colors.
It is. Tastes like cinnamon. Kind of like a small bundt cake with cinnamon and frosting. Which frosting is very good. So I've had my meal now. I'm done. It's beignet time. So
no, you got to eat everything before it's beignet.
No, you said I just had to, do this, and then I could go get beignets. And the beignets, I'm curious because one of them are regular, and the other I was told has alcohol. I'm not so sure about the alcohol, so we'll have to see.
Let's see.
But we're going to finish here. We're going to wrap up, and we'll move on. Okay, guys, so Tammy finally made it back with my beignets. Look, you got...
They are fresh.
They are.
I waited for them.
You can feel the heat coming off of them. Mm-hmm. So you got 3 regular Mickey beignets, right?
Yes.
And what were you naughty and do with these?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't you. Oh, you're that person. Wasn't me.
Yeah. These are Baton Rouge beignets. They're beignets that have Bailey's original Irish cream liquor.
That's what's in the tube. Yep.
Yeah, and you can squish it and squirt it all in there.
Yeah, so I got my beignets.
And
I might share with Tammy.
I mean, look how big these Mickey ones are huge.
You may have to ask her to go box on these because I'm not sure. But yeah, be right back. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and try these. Tammy, of course, she blames me for the Baileys, but look which one she grabbed first. So you got to squirt it.
It's leaking out the bottom.
Yeah, and that's because if you don't get it all in your beignet, you got to drink it.
No, I know. Okay, I'm squeezing it.
Okay, you squeeze. If you don't get it all in, just take it out. Yeah.
You can smell it. Oh, it's dripping.
It's dripping.
Nope.
Oh, that's good.
Nope. Wow.
That's a hard pass for you?
Yeah.
It's
Try
good.
it.
Bailey's is good. The Bailey's is good, guys.
Yeah. You can definitely taste the Bailey's.
Yeah, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
I'll stick to the plain ones.
You stick to the regular Mickey. Those are good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They taste just like those without you just. You are getting sugar everywhere. I can't take them anywhere. But no, they're good.
These are really good. I love beignets anyway. And you got caramel sauce over here for the...
Yeah, I forgot to dip it in the... Yeah, I'll stick with the caramel sauce. You can have the Baileys.
But anyway, guys, we wanted to share with you. Let you know, the Baileys I think is new this year maybe.
I don't know.
But yeah.
But honestly, the beignets are even better without the caramel. They're that good. They really are.
So guys, we're going to wind up here. I'll let Tammy go ahead and finish her Bailey's beignets. And yeah, we'll wind up at the end and let you know our thoughts. See you in a bit. Okay guys, that is going to do it for Tammy and I at, where were we? Sassagoula, I think it was?
And the Scat Cat
and
Club.
The Scat Cat Club.
Well, not the club, the cafe. The club does live music, and it's bar at night.
It's a bar?
Yeah, the Scat Club. Yep. Yep.
So what'd you think? This is our first time here. I mean, we've been over here, but first time eating here.
That you wouldn't be able to tell it was quick service. I think the way everything tastes and the portion size was the type that you would get at one of the regular Disney restaurants.
I'm guaranteeing you, just with the jambalaya and the gumbo, we would both be full the rest of the night. I mean, there was that much food.
Yeah, I didn't eat all mine.
No, I ended up finishing it all, so I'm extra full.
Yeah, and then, okay, we did take them home. But then the king cake, it was basically a cinnamon roll decorated, but it was okay.
Yeah, we tried it for you guys. I mean, I was really wanting beignets, so.
You got your beignets.
I did. I mean,
and they were good.
Jambalaya and the gumbo, I mean, full of flavor, spicy.
They were
spicy.
Very good.
Had spice and full of meat.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it wasn't any shortage of meat, either chicken or andouille. Yeah, and then you had the beignets,
which were very good.
And you like the Bailey's beignet the best? Is that what you told me? No. So the beignets were
very good.
They were very good. I would not do the Bailey's again because I thought Bailey's, and it wasn't that it was bad, guys. It was really good. I thought that the Bailey's was baked into it, and all they did was put alcohol in a little bottle thingy and you squeezed it in there. And I ended up, what I did is I squeezed a little bit in there and then I drank the rest, and I just put it in my mouth and squeezed it. And the flavor inside wasn't bad. It was okay. The guy at the counter had actually told us, he thought it made it a little bit mushy or whatever.
He didn't like it.
And he was on point with that. He really was, because it did make it kind of soggy, so to speak. It wasn't a bad soggy, but I would stick with regular beignets.
The Mickey beignets. They were wonderful.
Yes.
They are big. Make sure you get them to go, because we got them to eat there, but they were bigger than we thought. So I had to get a bag, and we're taking them home.
They're not your typical size beignets.
But they were very good and tasty. Everything was very good. We got a beautiful day. And like I said, this resort is the French Quarters in Port Orleans. So everything is Mardi Gras theme. And how we got here is, since it's a quick service and you cannot get reservations at a quick service, we went to Disney Springs. Disney Springs has a boat, and we hopped on the boat. So we got to hop back on the boat, go back to Disney Springs, get our dog some cupcakes, and then we'll be going home.
Yeah, we're not allowed. That's like a civil crime to not go home with cupcakes when they know we're here. But yeah, and if you watch the footage at the beginning, the boat ride, that's what that was us taking the boat on the way over here. So
and now we're going to come back, or go back.
Anything else?
Nope.
All right, guys. So we appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all you new subscribers. You keep coming on all the time, and we appreciate you guys. And yeah, if you have any comments or something that you want to see, just let us know in the comments. You come here, when you come here and you try this stuff, hey, don't listen to my opinion. Try the Bailey's beignets. But they were, like I said, you had to try them.
Get beignets yourself, make them, and put some.
And put a lot of powdered sugar on them and do it with Bailey's. But yeah. So guys, we appreciate all you guys, and until next time.
Bye.